Hi everybody, welcome back to Little Shop of Nightmares. A little early in the morning for me, but today we'll be working on kind of a hybrid blank that I made here about, I don't know, 6 months ago. It's just well, it ain't been 6 months ago, but it's been a couple months ago. The mystery driftwood and some epoxy, and we're gonna see if we can turn it. It's warmed up enough. I think we might be able to now, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it cut, drilled, and glued up. So before I go to work here in a little while. But anyway, I'll bring you guys back in a few minutes. I'll get you turned around and set up. All right, we're all in here now. We'll try to cut this down the middle, and then we'll trim the ends off. Alrighty, I'll get it drilled and glued up. I guess when I see you guys again, it'll be on the lathe. Alright folks, I've got a little bit more time before I go to work. We might be able to whip this thing out real quick. But let's get it fired up and find out. get this thing put together and I'll bring you guys back. All right, folks, we got it put together finally. Took me a minute. Had to remember what I was doing. But I think all in all, the epoxy and the mystery driftwood come out pretty good. I think I like the black fixtures and things. I don't know if I mentioned this was going to be a click pin or not. I can't remember. But I don't know what I was going to say. Anyway, I hope y'all, thank you for your time, as always. If you've enjoyed this, like, subscribe, tell your friends. Feel free to share. Give me some ideas, something you want to see. I've got a couple more things I'm going to make, but probably 3 that I really want to build. And then I'm kind of running out of ideas on stuff. So leave us a comment and tell us something you'd like to see. But as always, thanks for your time, and we'll see you on the next one.